Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to create and customize Facebook shop. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in order for you to create and customize your Facebook shop here, there are going to be some requirements. So first things first is you need to have a Facebook page that you could use to create your Facebook shop. So if you don't have one yet, I suggest you to first create your own Facebook page and basically add whatever details your business has in there. But at the top right here, you want to go and switch over to that page here. And once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to go and search for Facebook shop. Now, usually if it's available in your region at the left side, you should be able to see a shop here. But as you can see, you might not be able to see it, so you need to search it manually. So you want to go ahead and go to any tab here. Just type in Facebook shop, press enter. And from here, click on the first link that says Facebook shops. So it should have the link here that says facebook.com business and shops. Let's go and open it up. Now from here, there are going to be some details that you might want to read here, but if you want to get started immediately, now by the way, you can go and log in into your account here. So Meta account if you haven't logged in yet. As you can see, I've already selected my Facebook page here. That's why I've asked you to basically switch first to your Facebook page. But yeah, let's go and click on get started. Now it's going to give you some onboarding details here. So first, getting started, there are some details you need to know. Let's go and click on next. It's going to ask you set up using partner platforms. You could use Shopify, BigCommerce. You can go and choose one. Let's go and click on next. Then you can go and select your country. So in this case, it's going to also tell you if that is available in your country. And in this case, go and click on next. Now it's going to ask you to choose your sales channel. So you go and choose the appropriate page for it. And once you've done that, you can go and click on next. By the way, you can also create a new page here if you want. But let's go and click on next. And from here, it's going to ask you to select catalog. So you could choose Easy Ads catalog here. Shopify product catalog. There are going to be different catalogs here. You can even create your own. But let's go and click on next. And from here, you have the shipping and returns. So you can go and set up your states here, your address type, your country, offering starter shipping if you want to offer expedited shipping, rush shipping, and all those. And return windows here, you could go and specify that here as well. Now you have your contact information in here. You could go and specify that and click on next. And also, by the way, you need to at least add one shipping option here. So let's go to standard one. You can go and specify the rate for it. So for example, let's go and just it's $30. Now you can go and specify whatever in this case rate you want to use here. So go ahead and do that. So in this case, go ahead and click on next. Let's see if it's accepted. It's going to give you the preview of your shop here. Now, once you're ready and you're sure, you can just click on the finish setup at the bottom right here. And also, you need to agree a few things like the seller agreement, platform terms, on-site payment features, terms, and conditions. You need to agree to that. Click on finish setup, and that should allow you to set up your Facebook shop. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.